सो हेलो एंड वेलकम टू एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ प्रीतम एंड आज जो है हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे जो AIB 7 का हमने प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व किया था, आधा कर दिया था। 1 से 50 तक हो गया था, उसके बाद 51 से 100 तक अभी हमें करना है, तो वो अभी हम कर लेंगे। और मैं आपको रिमाइंड दिला दूं कि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर AIB के मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा आपके साथ सॉल्व करूँ। मैं तो करूँगा ही, आप भी इसको देख लोगे। अगर पहले कर रखा है तो अब तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, अगर नहीं किया तो आइडिया, एक रफली आइडिया मिल जाएगा आपको भी। ठीक है, और मुझे भी आता नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैंने साइड में आंसर की इसका ओपन कर रखा है। और 50 तक मैंने अपलोड कर दिया था, वो आप चेक कर लेना। और अभी जो है हम 51 से कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ठीक है, मैं साथ में आंसर जो है वो टिक भी लगाता जाऊंगा। ठीक है, तो 51 क्वेश्चन नंबर है, द हिंदू सक्सेशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2005 allows daughters of the deceased equal rights with daughter allows daughters of the deceased equal rights with daughter. Option B allows son of the deceased equal rights with widows. Option C allows daughters of the deceased equal rights with wife. Option D allows daughters of the deceased equal rights with sons. 51 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, अलाउज डॉटर्स ऑफ द डिजीज इक्वल राइट्स विद सन्स। Question number 52. The Fuller or Hart debate could be summarized as a debate between which two jurisprudential approaches or positions? Option A positivism and utilitarianism. Option B natural law and positivism. Option C positivism and liberalism. Option D Marxism and liberal feminism. 52 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी नेचुरल लॉ एंड positivism. Question number 53. In bailment, if the goods are lent free of cost to the bailee for his use, it is known as bailment by option A deposition, option B pledge, option C commodation, option D none of the above. 53 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी commodation. 54. Where the proposal and acceptance is through letters, the contract is made at the place where option A the acceptance is received, option B the letter of acceptance is posted, option C both above answers, option D none of the above. 54 का right answer है option B the letter of acceptance is posted. Question number 55. The surety stands discharged by option A death, option B revocation, option C variance or variance in the terms of the contract without his consent. Option D none of the above. 55 का right answer है option C variance in the terms of the contract without his consent. Question number 56. इन केस अगर वीडियो स्लो लगे तो आप स्पीड अपने अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट कर लेना। ठीक है। Question number 56. All contracts which are unlawful and void are known as option A illegal contracts, option B nugatory contracts, option C voidable contracts, option D none of the above. 56 का right answer option B nugatory contracts. Question number 57. Section dash of the Negotiable Instruments Act deals with noting. Option A 100, option B 101, option C 102, option D 99. 57 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी 99. Question number 58. Cancellation of crossing is also called option A marking, option B opening of crossing, option C cancellation, option D none of the above. 58 का राइट आंसर है opening of crossing. Opening of crossing. 59. Negotiable claim issued by a bank in return for a term deposit is called option A share certificate, option B certificate of incorporation, option C certificate of deposit, option D term deposit. 59 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डिपॉजिट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. Wager relate with option A present event, option B past event, option C future event, option D any of the above. 60 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी any of the above. Question number 61. In the judgment of the Supreme Court in Salem Bar Association versus the Union of India, the Supreme Court had requested this committee, headed by Dash, to prepare a case management formula. Option A, Justice Bhagwati. Option C, Justice Murlidhar. Option C, Justice Ravindran. Option D, Justice Jagananda Rao. 61 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, जस्टिस जगनंदा राव. Question number 62. The 2013 Companies Act has increased the limit of number of members in private company from 50 to option A 100, 200, 300, 150. 62 का right answer है option B 200. Question number 63. The standards on auditing have been accorded legal sanctity in the 2013 Act and would be subject to notification by the option A NFRA, option B NRFA, option C NARF, option D SEBI. 63 का right answer है option A NFRA. Question number 64. Qui facit per allium facit per se means option A act of an agent is the act of principal. Option B, act of an agent is not an act of principal. Option C, principal and agent are liable jointly. Option D, agent must not act a contravention of the act of principal. 64 का right answer option A, act of an agent is the act of principal. Question number 65. The concept of privity of contract was rejected in option A Winterbottom versus Bright, option B Donog versus Stevenson. Option number C Longmaid versus Holiday, option D Heaven versus Pender. Right answer है 65 का option B Donog versus Stevenson. Question number 66. Dash is observed as the World Consumer Right Day. Option A 15th of March, 16th of March, 12th of March, 11th of March. 66 का right answer है option A 15th of March. Question number 67. Accountability of medical professional and need for qualitative change in the attitude of the medical service provided by the hospital was emphasized by the Supreme Court in which of the following cases? Option A Bhartiya International versus Bulk Trading SA. Option B Indian Medical Association versus VP Santana and others. Option C Menaka Gandhi versus Union of India. Option D Lucknow Development Authority versus MK Gupta. 67 का right answer है option B Indian Medical Association versus VP Santana and others. Question number 68. Renewal of driving license is envisaged under section dash of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988. Option A 20, option B 21, option C 22, option D 15. 68 का right answer है option D section 15. Question number 69. Section 82 IPC is an illustration for option A presumption of fact, option B presumption of law, option C presumption of fact and presumption of law, option D none of the above. 69 का right answer है option B presumption of law. Question number 70. Meaning of nemo moriturus praesuntur mentiri. Option A dying man can never speak truth. Option B a dying man can never speak falsehood. Option C a dying man can speak truth. Option D a dying man may not speak falsehood. राइट आंसर है इसका 70 का ना 70 का डी है a dying man may not speak falsehood. Question number 71. If a court lower to the session courts tries a murder case, that order is called as option A quorum sub judice, option B quorum non judice, option C quorum non sub judice, option D quorum judice. 71 का right answer option B quorum non judice. Question number 72. SFIO stands for option A Serious Fraud Investigation Office, option B Serious Force Institution Office, option C Service Form Investigation Office, option D Serious File Investigation Office. 72 का right answer है option A Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Question number 73. Which provision of the Companies Act 2013 discusses about the issue of bonus share out of its free reserves or the securities premium account or the capital redemption reserve account subject to the compliance with certain conditions such as authorization by the articles approval in the general meetings. Option A section 36, option B section 43, option C section 63, option D section 33. 73 का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी सेक्शन 63. Question number 74. The question whether the fundamental rights can be amended under Article 368 came for consideration first time in option A. Sankari Prasad versus Union of India, option B. Keswananda Bharati versus Union of India, option C. Golaknath versus State of Punjab, option D. None of the above. 74 का right answer option A. Sankari Prasad versus Union of India. Question number 75. A law which violates fundamental rights is not nullity or void ab initio but becomes only unenforceable. This doctrine is called as option A. Doctrine of severability, option B. Doctrine of 3 points, option C. Tornado doctrine, option D. Doctrine of eclipse. 75 का right answer है option D. Doctrine of eclipse. Question number 76. Equality of opportunity admits discrimination with reasons. It was observed by Apex Court in option A. State of Kerala versus N.M. Thomas. Option B. Indira Sahani versus Union of India. Option C. AIR India versus Nargis Mirza. Option D. All of the above. 76 का right answer है option A. State of Kerala versus N.M. Thomas. Question number 77. An executive magistrate may require security for keeping good behavior from habitual offenders for a period not more than option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 2 years, option D 3 years. 77 का right answer option D 3 years. Question number 78. Once Section 167 of the Criminal Procedure Code provides that the nature of custody can be altered from judicial custody to police custody and vice versa. This alteration can be done during the period of first 15 days, 16 days, 14 days, 12 days. 78 का right answer option C, which is 14 days. Question number 79. Under which provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure it is mandatory for a police officer to inform the person arrested the ground of arrest and right of bail if the offence is non-bailable. If the offence is not non-bailable. If the offence is not non-bailable means it may be bailable. ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास सेक्शन 150, सेक्शन 105, सेक्शन 50, सेक्शन 510. 79 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी विच इज सेक्शन 105. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. Section 41B is inserted in the Criminal Procedure Code on the basis of which among the following decisions? Option A Nandini Satpathy versus PL Dhani. Option B Sunil Batra versus Delhi Administration. Option C Prem Shankar Shukla versus Delhi Administration. Option D D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. 80 का right answer है D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Question number 81. Civil surgeons shall refer unsound minded person to a clinical psychologist, psychiatrist. However, by virtue of section dash, the aggrieved accused may prefer appeal before medical board consisting of head of psychiatry and faculty of medical college. Option A section 328, option B section 328 1A, option C section 328 subclause 2 or subsection 2 or option D section 346. 81 का right answer है option C which is section 328 subsection 2. Question number 82. What are the remedies open to the parties aggrieved in a suit on contract? Option A specific performance and injunction. Option B specific performance and damages. Option C specific performance only. Option D all of the above. 82 का right answer है option D all of the above. Question number 83. A resides at Delhi and B at Agra. B borrows 20,000 from A at Banaras and passes a promissory note to A payable at Banaras. B fails to repay the loan. A may sue B at option A Banaras or Agra, option B Banaras only, option C Agra only, option D Banaras, Agra and Delhi. 83 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए बनारस और आगरा. सो बनारस में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ था और आगरा जहां डिफेंडेंट रहता है. Question number 84. The general principle of waiver that provides that failure to raise objection in the court of the first instance and at the earliest opportunity shall prevent the defendant from raising such objection at a subsequent stage and the just would not be vitiated on the ground of. एक सेकेंड बाहर गाना बज रहा है फिर कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा, थोड़ा पॉज कर देते हैं. हाँ जी, तो इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं. बाहर किसी के घर में कोई प्रोग्राम चल रहा था तो फिर उसकी आवाज़ आ रही थी और फिर कॉपीराइट आ जाता बेफालतू में, तो मैं चाहता था कि वैसा कुछ ना हो, इसलिए मैंने पॉज कर दिया था. ठीक है. सो 83 तक हो गया था ना, 83 तक हो गया था. Question number 84 says the general principle of waiver that provides that failure to raise objection in the court of the first instance and at the earliest opportunity shall prevent the defendant from raising such objection at a subsequent stage and the judgment would not be vitiated on the ground of absence of territorial or pecuniary jurisdiction is reflected in which provision of civil procedure code. ऑप्शन ए सेक्शन 15, 16, 51, 21. ठीक है, कौन से सेक्शन में है? इसका राइट आंसर है 84 का ऑप्शन डी सेक्शन 21. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. एक्ट ऑफ कोर्ट कैन डू नो रॉन्ग टू एनी पर्सन विच कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेट्स टू दिस आइडियोलॉजी. ऑप्शन ए प्रिसेप्ट्स, ऑप्शन बी कैविएट, ऑप्शन सी रेस्टिट्यूशन, ऑप्शन डी इंजंक्शन. 85 का राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी रेस्टिट्यूशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. रविंद्र कुमार पाल allies Dara Singh versus the Republic of India, a famous case coming under section 30 of Indian Evidence Act, is also well known as option A Graham Sent's murder case, option B Graham Bell's murder case, option C Graham Street's murder case, option D Graham Stoid's murder case. Right answer is option A Graham Stein's murder case. Question number 87. Statement by a person who is dead is a relevant fact under dash of the Indian Evidence Acts. ऑप्शन है हमारे पास सेक्शन 32 सबसेक्शन 3, सेक्शन 32 सबसेक्शन 4, सेक्शन 32 सबसेक्शन 5, सेक्शन 32 सबसेक्शन 6. 87 का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 6 विच इज सेक्शन 32 सबसेक्शन 5. Question number 88. A charge sheet filed under section 173 of CRPC is an example of option A public document, option B private document, option C patent document, option D latent document. Right answer is option A public document. Question number 89. Procedure of investigation of criminal case under the Criminal Procedure Code is contained in chapter 11, chapter 12, chapter 10, chapter 9. Right answer is option B which is chapter 12. Next question, question number 90. Frost versus Knight is a leading case on section 32, section 33, section 34, section 35. Right answer है section 34 which is option number C section 34. Next question है which among the following is a law based on equity? Law based on equity. Option A Indian Contract Act 1872, option B Indian Penal Code 1863, option C Indian Partnership Act 1932, option D Specific Relief Act 1963. Right answer is option D Specific Relief Act 1963. Question number 92. Which season of the Specific Relief Act describe temporary injunction? Section 45, section 41, section 37, section 36. Right answer is section 37. So section 37 of Specific Relief Act 1963 talks about temporary injunction. Next question is question number 93. The maintenance amount which can be transferred is option A further maintenance, option B right to future maintenance, option C arrears of maintenance up to a certain dates, option D none of the above. Right answer is option C arrears of maintenance up to a certain date. Question number 94. The maximum period during which property can be tied up is option A only 15 years, option B one or more life or lives in being at the date of transfer and the minority of an unborn person, option C during the lifetime of the transferor and the minority period of an unborn person, option D none of the above. Right answer is option B one or more life or lives in being at the date of transfer and the minority of an unborn person. Question number 95. Whoever causes bodily pain, disease or infirmity to any person is said to have inflicted dash on the victim. Option A grievous hurt, option B hurt, option C assault, option D none of the above. Right answer is option B, which is hurt. Next question, question number 96. Personation at election is an offence under section dash of the Indian Penal Code. Option A section 124A, option B section 121A, 153B, 171D. Right answer is option D, which is section 171D, talks about personation at election is an offence under section 171D of IPC talks about personation at election. Next question, quoted question number 97. Raman, having found a key of Raju's house, which Raju had lost, commits house trespass by entering Raju's house after opening the door with that key. Raman has committed the offence of option A house trespass, criminal trespass, housebreaking, none of the above. Right answer is option C, which is housebreaking. Next question, question number 98. DES defined crime as a violation of public rights and duty due to the whole community considered as community. Right answer is, oh sorry, first of all, let me speak the options. ऑप्शन ए है इसका ब्लैक स्टोन, ऑप्शन बी है इसका जस्टिस भागवती, ऑप्शन सी है इसका वी आर कृष्णा अय्यर, ऑप्शन डी है इसका लॉर्ड हेवर्ड और हेवर्ड वट एवर इट इज. ठीक है, 98 का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए विच इज ब्लैक स्टोन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पब्लिक सर्वेंट. Option A liquidator, option B a civil judge, option C secretary of a cooperative society, option D none of the above. 99 का राइट आंसर है secretary of a cooperative society. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100. द संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना universal rural employment program was launched in 2001 and was implemented through option A labor office, गवर्नमेंट, पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन. सो ये थे हमारे AIBE 7 के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन जो कि थे 51 से 100 तक. इससे पहले के 1 से लेके 50 तक की जो क्वेश्चंस थे उस पे मैंने पार्ट 1 AIB 7 करके जो है वीडियो अपलोड कर दी थी इससे पहले, और आज हम इसको अपलोड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा इसके साथ AIB 7 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो होगी उसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे AIB 8 का जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है हम उसको डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, सो आज के लिए इतना ही. आप सभी को थैंक यू.